his company, Moments in Time, has been official airshow photographer here since 1988. Mr. Welch volunteered his time and talent to capture nearly 3 decades of photos for the airshow. Brian Welch and his sister Cheryl Landis have continued their father's passion of photography and volunteerism. Today, the U.S. Marine Corps Osprey demo, dedicating their performance to the memory of Corporal Robert Welch, United States Marine Corps, Semper Fi. And now, on behalf of the Marine Corps, the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing, we're going to showcase for you the MV-22 Osprey. MV-22 Osprey just executing a vertical takeoff there. It is a medium lift assault support tilt rotor aircraft designed to replace the CH-46 C-9 helicopter that served the Marine Corps needs for nearly 5 decades. But the Osprey is not simply a new helicopter, it is part airplane and part helicopter. Crew Chief on board, Sergeant Michael Ritt. The aerial observer today is Lance Corporal Alex Vasquez. 22 Osprey can really do. You can see now they're approaching rather fast. Watch the nacelles as they rotate to the vertical now. Starting right about now. And brings it to a complete stop down here for us in the helicopter mode. A little bit too fast to shut it down here and back up, so he'll bring it on back around. See those nacelles now, they're not quite vertical. He's still got forward flight capability in there, but not in the airplane mode. We are in the forward helicopter mode. Landing gear has come down. The big flaps on the wings have been lowered, setting up for this landing. This should be a vertical landing. Later on, I think we'll show you a roll-on. Joshua Paulson, Donnie King at control. Now going solely to the helicopter mode as he approaches show center. Now showing the capability of backing up. I'm going to give you a 90-degree turn here. Face the crowd. And do some side flying for you. The 2 Rolls-Royce turboshaft engines, each with more than 6,000 shaft horsepower, are driving those 2 rotor blades. They're 38 feet in diameter. Aircraft boasts more than 57,000 pound gross weight. Can carry 24 passengers or more than 10,000 pounds of cargo. And keep in mind that what you're seeing right now, he's only just a few seconds away from flying at half the speed of sound. Let's see if we get a complete turnaround here, a little 360-degree turn or a 90-degree turn. No, we're going to get a 360. Now we've asked him to bow to the crowd. Don't know if we'll get a bow or not, but if he does, let's all wave because they'll be watching. Okay, here we go. Watch the nose come down and a little bow. Let's give him a big wave out there. Nice little bow to the crowd. Lining up now for the vertical landing. Nice touchdown. Now if you watch the nacelles, we're setting up for a 60-degree rolling takeoff. There go the nacelles, slowly going forward. And this is the 60-degree rolling takeoff. Using the rolling takeoff technique rather than the vertical lift allows it to carry a lot more cargo, because it doesn't require a tremendous amount of lift if you get some airflow going over the wings instead of just using the downward wash from the rotor blades. Just about an eighth of a mile off the end of the road. In the helicopter mode now with the nacelles in the vertical position comes our MV-22 Osprey. This is called the roll-on landing. Because it is a helicopter in this mode. In the airplane mode, very much like an airplane, not an awful lot of noise. Beautifully executed roll-on landing there by the MV-22 Osprey. They'll be coming back. Give them a wave as they taxi in front of us.
He is very much in demand because of the popularity of this airplane and the fact that it is a jet. It has its heritage, this T-33, meaning a train 33. It is an